As a first step, grab your phone and head to Google Play Store. The next step is to download some free software. At level 3, you are given a whopping $500. It is incredibly quick and simple and requires no selling, videos, referrals, or difficult setup. No matter where you are from, you can finish the process in 3 to 5 minutes. If you have a smartphone, you can start earning $500 right away. I'll provide you some truly original advice on how to boost your income, as well as detailed directions on how to prevent those blunders. If you want to outperform them, seize the opportunity because you can earn more money doing it than they can. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Foap is the first modern app that enables online income generation. There are millions of unique high-quality and high-resolution photos in this app's extensive library. On the Foap app, there are two types of people. First in line are those who wish to purchase various photos. Every day, thousands of people use their phones to shop online while looking for different photographs to buy. The second category of Foap users include sellers. They are earning money through the sale of their photos, and the program is operating exactly as intended. You don't have to be in front of the camera. You don't have to take any of the photos. You don't have to be talented in graphic design, and you don't have to be knowledgeable about the technological matters. I'm going to give you access to a couple of top secret websites right now where you can discover a ton of done-for-you, highly automated pictures that you can submit again and post on Foap. By the end of this video, you may have quickly earned your first $100 or up to $400. Before selecting Sell Your Content from the menu on the foap.com homepage, you must click this button. Doing so will bring you to this page. The Foap app is available for both iOS and Android devices. If you have an Android phone, just type Foap into the Google Play Store. Ensure that the application you download includes this logo. You can easily get Foap from your App Store if you have an iPhone by going there. The program is completely free. I only want to briefly demonstrate the Foap website's entire library to you. On this website, people are selling a huge number of high-resolution, high-quality photographs and making a ton of money. I like Foap because they really do offer passive income. You can continue to make money and commissions from this website even a week, a month, a year, or even 5 years after you post the photographs to this platform. As long as Foap can be accessed online, the picture you upload and post on your phone will remain there. Every month, millions and millions of people search and buy on Foap to find fresh photos to buy, and they actually do. Again, you do not need to design and take any of your photos. At the end of this video, I will show you a specific method. Assume that each image on this website costs $10 and that this is one of the pictures being sold there. The potential earnings of this website may be of interest to you. I want you to look at this because you can easily post your videos and photos and make money doing it. 50% of the earnings will be split equally between you and Foap, with the remaining 50% going right into your account. They are stealing 50% of your profit from you since they will automatically sell the pictures for you. Foap, a popular website with millions of visitors, works with a number of well-known companies. You won't have to do any of the laborious work yourself because they will automatically support you in marketing and selling different photographs that you upload on this website. You can start generating passive cash every day if you copy the images and post them on our website. On this website, I want to show you something really cool. You have the choice of joining several tasks in addition to selling the images. Simply upload a variety of images under the topic they provided to join a vast array of missions. You have the chance to win more money when you submit various photos to various missions on this website. I'll once more provide a list of a few websites where you can locate finished works of art of the highest caliber for copying, pasting, and selling on Foap. Visit Shutterstock.com to see another website where you can also make money before I reveal the secret. This website has several similarities to Foap. Every day people come here to purchase various photos from their sizable collection of diverse, excellent, and high-resolution photos. You can also contribute to Shutterstock and upload some images there. Then you might start selling the photographs you share. that you can simultaneously upload the same photographs to Foap and Shutterstock in the best aspect of this tactic. The more websites you register with, the more money you'll make, since some people will purchase your photos on Foap and others will purchase them on Shutterstock. The similar method may be applied to copy and paste various photographs to create other passive income streams. All you need to do to get started again is click this button, which will take you to a page where you may create a free account. You can make a free account by providing your full name, display name, email address, and password. I'll take you through a few websites where you can find and freely download high-resolution pictures, as I promised. The URL for it is burst.shopify.com. There are many high-resolution images of varying quality that are categorized into various groups. Examples includes working from home, women, fashion, and fitness. There are numerous categories with the best quality free goods available. Either a credit card or an investment are required. For instance, if I look at this category, I'll be taken to this website. There are all the pictures that can be downloaded with just one click, whether you're on a computer or a phone. Simply put, there is a big collection of both high and low resolution images to choose from. If you want to earn money on numerous websites, I strongly advise you to purchase a high-resolution photograph. Additionally, you have the choice of using PicWizard.com. Once more, this website offers a collection of premium, cost-free stock images. On this website, you can download for free more than 1 million distinctive premium pictures. You don't need to take any of the photos, and no technical knowledge is required. This is a more sensible and effective course of action. Clicking on the image would bring up this page. The file can then be downloaded to your computer or mobile device by clicking the download button. The next step is to post the image to Shutterstock and Foap when you have successfully downloaded it to your PC. At that point, you can begin receiving daily royalties and passive income. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.